Okay guys, I'm just down here at the boiler. Welcome back to the channel. She has run overnight, so weird, isn't it? I don't know, these things are pretty tricky to kind of work out. There's very little ash in there, so that's great. And have a quick look. Boy, it's taken a lot of chipping. I don't know whether you can see that, guys. Yeah, there it is. Not that much chip left, but it's got plenty still to run for a bit longer. Everything's tickety-boo. 76 on the fans. But there'll be a nice fire. Oh, lovely fire. That's what we like to see. Right, very good. Yeah, as I said, very little ash. Nothing there, we'll just go outside. That chip bin could probably be dropped out. So, we'll just have a quick look. That's how I feel. Yeah, there's a little bit of moisture, but not a huge amount. I'd say that's pretty dry, that spot. Maybe a little bit longer just to get rid of anything. Big dry bit there, wet there. Yeah, she'll be coming on nicely, that one. Okay guys, just up in the top yard now. This is what we managed to chip yesterday. This heap out of the slab wood. It's not too bad stuff. Comes and goes. You know, it's a bit of a small chip, but it always does that. Some of it was a bit pulpy, but some of it had some meat in it. Still a bit more to go at today, but that's probably broken the back of it yesterday. Got a bit more chip over there to do. We take the tags off, we'll just burn those up when we get a chance. So yeah, we'll push that up and that'll be nice stuff. I've got to get some pin and cone brackets for the new bucket and take that off. That's all good. We got some more crates in as well. Probably a bit of an overkill at this time of the season because it's, I mean look, I'm wearing a shirt and a jacket, so it's not that cold. Firewood sales have really gone quiet, but we can always use these another time. And I quite like the size of these, so they're a little bit smaller than the other ones, so I can just put them on the website and advertise as is. And I reckon they're about the same size as one of our cubic meter loose fill bags. So I can put those up. We'll be able to deploy those off the back of the log truck. Yeah, we'll see how we go on that. Looks like we've got some new packaging here as well, some new bags, so we'll just take a look and show you that. There we are, there's a slightly bigger bag. We're just changing all our logos to this deer crest away from the flame. It's on that one, so yeah, there we go. That's quite nice. Have to get these sorted out now. Okay guys, I'm just up here in one of our maize fields. This has been just ages to get ploughed with the wet weather, so it's great that we've finally got it happening now. And I'll just go and see Simon Smith of Linden Farms. He's working it over. He's got 2 ploughs in here. It was that wet at the start of the week, we couldn't get anything done, but now it is turning up quite nicely, and there's enough time until May when we've got to drill the maize again that this will break down nicely. So there we are, it's coming up in pretty big slabs, but it's something. It's doing a job, as I say. Let's see if we can find them. There's this other machine. Don't know if you can see it. It's pretty tacky and doing a fair amount of sliding. But I'm just glad to get this done. It's been weighing over my head since we took the maize off. Normally we spread the muck and plough directly after that, and it produces a great seed bed for us. But this year, because the maize came off a bit late, we then basically just didn't get it. It just turned wet and never ever changed. And there it goes. Let's see if you can see that front wheel. It's tacky. feel it on the car as well. Slightly high. Yeah. Need to lift a bit there. Front shearing in the ground. Oh well.
Okay guys, so we've done all the slab wood. That's all chipped up now. I can push up into the heat again. The little tractor chip has done well there. Just maybe needs something put in there. Just change over the bins, guys. 3 to do. Got a nice pile there to get through. I'll be interested to see, because this one we've left the top off, that one we put the top on, so we'll see if there's any difference in moisture. So that's the bin, this one. Not too bad, a little bit of moisture on the top. It's fairly dry. Fairly dry. Right, so this is just loaded up now. Get it on around the corner. Good heavy load on that tyre. Probably good pumping that up. Right, just around the back of the building. Onto our tubes. Okay, here's the other trailer, which had the lid on. It's interesting, I wouldn't say there's a tremendous difference. Been getting a bit wet on the top, as you'd expect. Bottom bit's dry. Yeah, interesting, quite marginal if there's any difference between the two.